Hi viewers, this is Masan, Accountancy and Commerce faculty. Last video I have uploaded ledger accounts of intermediate first year accountancy. Now I am going to upload more videos regarding subsidiary books and triple column cash book. पहले मैं एक वीडियो अपलोड करा था, वो लेडजर अकाउंट्स के बारे में अपलोड करा था. अभी मैं subsidiary book और triple column cash book very important problems of first year accountancy I am going to upload now. If you practice them, you will get pass marks very easily, and very important problem these are, and only you can practice these problems. You watch my videos and then you will get pass marks very easily. So last video 22nd question ledger account will come in your annual examination. That is the question number 22nd. तो 22nd क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे को एग्जाम में आएगा, वो लेडजर अकाउंट था. अभी मैं सब्सिडरी बुक के बारे में बताना चाह रहा हूं. ओके, नाउ यू सी हियर. So this is record the following transactions in proper subsidiary books. So here subsidiary books are here, four are there. Four, remember, you remember four. One is purchase book. First one is what here? Purchase book एक है. सेकेंड वन सेल्स बुक, सेल्स बुक. थर्ड वन इज परचेज रिटर्न्स, परचेज रिटर्न्स बुक. एंड फोर्थ वन सेल्स रिटर्न्स book. Out of these four, any two will come in the examination. The combination should be like this: purchase book and sales book, one combination. Otherwise, purchase book and purchase returns book, second combination. And sales book and sales return book, third combination. Out of these three combinations, any one combination will come in the examination. तो तीन combination में से दो कॉम्बिनेशन, एक कॉम्बिनेशन अपन को एग्जाम में आएगा. तो परचेज बुक सेल्स बुक एक कॉम्बिनेशन, कॉम्बिनेशन नंबर वन. एंड परचेज बुक परचेज रिटर्न्स बुक सेकंड कॉम्बिनेशन. एंड सेल्स बुक एंड सेल्स रिटर्न्स बुक थर्ड कॉम्बिनेशन. आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री कॉम्बिनेशंस एनी वन कॉम्बिनेशन विल कम इन द एग्जामिनेशन. तो यू सी हियर, तो रिकॉर्ड द फॉलोइंग ट्रांजैक्शंस इनटू प्रॉपर सब्सिडरी बुक बोल के है. तो in this first one here, so in this how many purchase are done, how many sales are done, how many purchase returns are there, how many sales returns are there, we have to identify. That's all simple. कितने परचेस हो गए, कितने सेल्स हो गए, कितने परचेस रिटर्न्स है, कितना सेल्स रिटर्न्स है. तो any two books we have to prepare in the examination, but I am explaining here in this problem four books I am going to explain. Okay, so here first, so which transaction will come in which book, कौन सा ट्रांजैक्शन कौन से बुक में लिखना है, वो पहले अपन फाइंड करने का रहता है. तो हियर यू सी फर्स्ट वन हियर, sold goods to Archana. Here sales are there, sold are there. Sales means what here? Sales book. Simple logic. Sold goods to Archana, sales book. You can record like 3. इसका मतलब this means a sales book. Simple. And next one here, sold goods to Archana, sales book completed. Next, October 4th, goods purchased from Divya. Here purchase are given, purchase book, simple. So purchase book means it is PB, you can remember PB. Purchase book means PB, sales book means SB. Next one, purchased, so discount is there, I will explain later. Purchased goods from Manasri. So purchased goods means again it is we have to record in purchase book. Purchase book అంటే మళ్ళీ purchase book లో రాయాలి. Purchase book बोलतो फिर purchase book में ही लिखना है. So goods returned by, returns means it is returns book. So two things you have to remember here. Here, so returns to, returns by. Here returns to, and one more thing, returns by or from. Returns by or from. Two things are there. Returns to means purchase returns, PR. You think you can remember, but returns to means purchase returns. Returns by or from means sales returns. Sales returns. So returns to is given, returns by are given or from are given, returns sales returns. रिटर्न्स टू बोल तो परचेज रिटर्न्स बोल के सोचना, रिटर्न्स बाय और फ्रॉम बोल तो सेल्स रिटर्न्स बोल के सोचना है. సో హియర్ రిటర్న్స్ టు అంటే పర్చేజ్ రిటర్న్స్ అని, రిటర్న్స్ బై రిటర్న్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అంటే సేల్స్ రిటర్న్స్ అని మనము అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటే సింపుల్ గా లాజిక్ గా సరిపోతుంది. ఇవన్నీ మీరు సో రికార్డ్ చేసుకోవాలా. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రికార్డ్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ యామ్ గివింగ్ క్లూస్ and whatever the logics I am explaining, you can remember this, you can maintain a notes in notes, so then you can understand very easily. So here purchase goods over, goods returned by is given by, here returned by means what, sales return. So then you can remember this, you can write make a trick or sales returns, simple, sales returns. Next, goods sold, sold is given, sold to Shivani, sold means sales book, SB, sales book, like that. Next one, returned goods to is given here, returns to is given, purchase returns, PR, purchase returns means PR, like this we have to remember. And purchased goods from Madhuri, purchase goods again is given, so which book, purchase book, again purchase book. And Shivani returned goods, Shivani returns means Shivani se aaya, from Shivani we get the goods. Shivani, once we sold to Shivani, she is returning goods. This means what here, returns by or from only, returns by or from only. Shivani returned goods to us, she returned to us means she returned by her, so that's why it is also known as sales returns. And returned outwards to is there, simple, outwards are given and returned goods to is given, so here to is there, that's why to means what here, purchase returns, simple logic, purchase returns, purchase returns are there. Next, goods sold to Sharanya on credit, on credit may be given, may not be given, it is credit transaction, but cash is given, don't write that, so goods sold to Sharanya, it is also sales book. So sold or purchase for cash, not recorded, not recorded. Sold goods or purchased goods for cash is there, don't write. Sold goods or purchased goods for cash दिए तो नहीं लिखना है. और assets, sold machinery, sold building, sold furniture, purchased land, so whatever it may be given, so don't write, only purchase and sale of goods only we have to record in these books, subsidiary books. Here how many books are there here, total 4 books are there here. One is purchase book, second one is purchase returns book, third one is sales book, fourth one is sales returns book. So 4 books are there here. So 4 out of 4 books, how many books will come in the examination, 2 books. So here one combination will come, so combination is like this, purchase book, sales book, second combination purchase book, purchase returns book, third combination sales book and sales returns book. This is the combination will come in the examination. You can now once you check your question papers of previous years, so 3-4 years or 10 years question papers also, you can once check them, and these combinations only will come in the examination. Okay, so here in this question here, how many books are there, sales book one question, one purchase book is there, sales returns is there, and purchase book is there, 4 books. But examination how many books will come, only 2 books, purchase book or sales book, purchase book sales book one combination, sales book sales returns book another combination, purchase book purchase returns book another combination. So now we are going to do the answer here. So here this is the question, you can make the trick here. Sold goods means sales book, and sold goods purchase means purchase book, and purchased goods from Manasvi also purchase book, and here goods returned by Archana means returns book, and goods sold to Shivani, sales book. Returned goods to Divya. So goods returned to means purchased, and purchased goods from Madhuri, purchase book. Returned goods, Shivani returned goods. That means from Shivani goods are coming. That's why she returned to us. So returned from Shivani, sales returns, and return outwards to means purchase returns. So like that word will come in the examination sometimes, then you think here two is there, that's why returns to means purchase returns. Return by from is there, sales returns. Simple logic you can remember. And here goods sold to Sharanya, it is credit may be given, may not be given, even though credit transaction, but sold purchase for cash is there, then don't write anything in the examination question paper answers. Okay, now here first one is purchase book we are going to prepare. So whatever the purchases are there, how many purchases are there here? Purchase book is there here. First one is you see here. So first one here, purchase book is there. Purchase book one thing, and purchase book two things, and here purchase book three things. Here purchase how many are there? One, two, three are there. So these three things are recorded in the purchase book. These three things only you have to record in the purchase book. Now you see here, purchase book format should be like this here. Date column, particulars column, LF number column, invoice number, details, amount rupees. Date column, particulars column, LF number, invoice number, details, amount rupees. Just to remember the table. एंड आप लोग ये टेबल ऐसा ड्रा करने का रहता है एग्जाम में. सो टेबल ड्रा करके किस आदमी से अपन खरीदे, फ्रॉम हूम वी परचेज द गुड्स, ఎవరి నుండి గూడ్స్ మనం పర్చేజ్ చేసాం అనేది రాయాలి. సో ఫ్రమ్ హూమ్ వి పర్చేజ్ ద గూడ్స్, సో దట్ ఓన్లీ వి హావ్ టు రికార్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వెరీ సింపుల్. Logically we can identify the purchases, sales, purchase returns, sales returns, and we have to enter those into this table. That's all, simple. So now here how many purchases are there here? 1, 2, 3. What are the dates here? 4th date and 8th date, and next one is the 18th date. So 3 dates are there here. So in these 3 dates we purchase from various people. So purchase goods from Divya, purchase goods from here Manasvi, and here purchase from Madhuri. So from these 3 people we purchase the goods. Total purchase how many are there? We have to find out. That's all. So now here in this first one here, what date here? 4th date, October 4th, 2017. So we have to write here 2017 October 4th. October 4th. So what we did here, October 4th here, we purchase goods purchased from Divya. How much goods? How many goods we purchase here? So goods we purchased here. How many here? Goods purchased from Divya, 6,000 we purchase. How many purchased here? 6,000. Okay. So now here goods purchased from Divya. Just we have to write here Divya. Simple. Divya. From whom we purchased? From Divya. So LF number column no need to us. Invoice number also no need to us. So so ऐसा number 1, 2, 3 we can give serial number. So 1, 2, 3 and numbers కూడా రాయొచ్చు. 1, 2, 3 numbers बोल के लिख ले सकते. So LF number column also no need to us. Simply you have to get pass marks. That's all. For that purpose, whatever I am explaining, just you listen carefully and you can practice carefully. Then you will get pass marks. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ वो सुनो, आप लोग वैसे ही प्रैक्टिस कर लो, एग्जाम में लिखो, पास आराम से हो जाते हैं. Okay. Now here, what is the amount we purchase here? 6,000. First of all, we have to write in this details column. Why? Because here discount is there. So while we are purchasing goods, we are getting discounts. अपन शॉप में जाके कुछ भी खरीदो डिस्काउंट मिलता है अपन को 5%, 10% like that. So whenever we went to class shop and we purchased so many items of clothes, and the shopkeeper will give some discount here. Here we purchased here 6,000, and that person, how much? When we purchased from Divya given how much percent discount here? 10%. This 10% will be deducted. Subtract करना. तो 10% अपन निकाल के बताना। सो अभी कितना है 10% बोल तो माइनस माइनस ट्रेड डिस्काउंट बोल के लिखना, ट्रेड डिस्काउंट, trade discount. What is the percentage? 10%. 10% means what here? 6,000 into 10 by 100. 10 by 100. 0, 0 cancel, and this 0 cancel. 600 is there. So 600 rupees we have to minus from the 6,000. Then what is the amount we have? 5,400. 5,400 amount, remaining amount. तो 6,000 का माल खरीदे तो उसमें 600 रुपए अपन को डिस्काउंट मिला, 6,000 में 600 रुपए गए तो कितना बच गया? 5,400. So we purchased 6,000 rupees worth of goods, and from that how much discount we get here? 600. In the discount మనకు వచ్చింది 600. మరి ఎంత పేమెంట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది? 5,400 we have to pay. Okay, this is the one transaction completed. Next one here, purchase book. Here purchased goods from Manasvi again is there. Purchased goods from Manasvi again is there. How much purchased goods here? 8,000. And what is the discount here? 5% discount again it is given. So okay. Now here date is what here? Manasvi 8th date. Date is 8th. So just you write 8th date. And what is the name of the person? Manasvi. And we have write here Manasvi. Manasvi. And what is the amount of goods we purchase here? 8,000 rupees. Here 8,000 rupees we have write here, 8,000 rupees, and it is number 2. And again what is the discount we got here? 5%. 5% means how much here? Minus trade discount. So for just you write the logically. So trade discount short form. So 8,000 into 5 by 100. 5 by 100. 2 zeros cut. So 80 into 5, 400. 400. So then 400 minus 8,000 minus 400, 7,600. 7,600. Now here next. Now here next. So here purchase book. This one completed. Next one more purchase book is there here. So 18th of October, purchase goods from Madhuri. So then we have to write here. Date is the what is the date? 18th. And here we have to write 18th. From whom we purchase? Madhuri. Madhuri. So from Madhuri, how much we purchase here? 4,000 rupees. Here we have to write number 3. Here no need of details. We have to write why? Because there is no discount in this. That's why here 4,000 rupees we have to write here. 4,000 rupees. Like that, only 3 transactions are there. So 3 transactions of purchase are there here. So what are they here? First one is goods purchased from Divya, and purchased goods from Manasvi, and purchased goods from Madhuri. 3 transactions are there of purchase. These are completed purchase book. And now we have to totaling the amount. That's all. Here total of the purchase book is how much? Let us see here. So total is here. So 0, and next one 0, 6 plus 4 10, remaining 1, and 4 plus 5 1 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 5 17. So here 17,000 is the total of the purchase book. Total 17,000. This is the answer. Simple way, within 5 minutes you can do the problem, and within 5 minutes you will get 5 marks. Simple. Okay, so this is the purchase book, and if you have any doubt you can call me. My number is there, and here these are the entries of purchase book here. So from various people, that means 3 members we purchase. So the 3 members name we entered here, and the total of the purchase are 17,000 done. पूरा 3 लोगों से अपन गुड्स खरीदे, 3 लोगों से कितना कितना माल खरीदे वो लिखे, और पूरा टोटल करके अपन बताया 17,000. ముగ్గురు దగ్గర నుంచి మనం పర్చేజ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ ముగ్గురు వివరాలను మనం రాసేసి టోటల్ అమౌంట్ మనం చేయడం జరిగింది. టోటల్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్ ద 17,000 of total purchase book. Now we are going to discuss next table is purchase book after sales book. Now we are going to do sales book. So now we are going to delete this purchase things here. Purchase book is over. Okay, so purchase book is over. Now sales book, how many sales are there here? Sold goods to Archana, one sales is there. Sales book is one sales book. And after that here SB sales book here. So goods sold to Shivani, so one more thing is there. And next one is so goods sold to Sharanya and Kate, one more 25th date is there. Total how many are there? Three things are there. So here the sold goods to Archana, and here sold goods to Shivani, sold goods to Shivani, and next one is sold goods to Sharanya. So these three things are there here. So these three items we have tried. Any discounts are there here? No discounts are here. If discounts are given in the sales book also, we have to do like that only. How we did in purchase book, see in the same manner we have to do. परचेस बुक में डिस्काउंट के बारे में कैसा माइनस करें अपन, वैसे ही इसमें ही करना. अगर दिए तो करना, नहीं दिए तो करने का जरूरत नहीं है. సో డిస్కౌంట్ మాత్రం ఇస్తే మాత్రము పర్చేస్ బుక్ లో ఎలా అయితే మైనస్ చేసామో అలా చేయాలి. ఇవ్వకపోతే ఏం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అలాగే అమౌంట్ ఎంతైతే సేల్ చేసామో అంత రాయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటుంది. సో నౌ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ సేల్స్ బుక్. హియర్ సేల్స్ బుక్ టేబుల్ షుడ్ బి లైక్ దిస్. సో సేమ్ టేబుల్, సేమ్ ఫార్మాట్, ఇన్వాయిస్ నెంబర్, inward invoice number, outward invoice number, like that it is given. So but no need here, just you write the invoice number, that is enough. So no one can see that inward invoice, outward invoice. So simply you can prepare like this. So sales book, purchase book, both are same tables, but here the title should be changed here. So purchase book you have to write purchase book, in sales book you have to write just sales book. Sales book में sales बोल के लिखना, परचेज बुक में परचेज बोल के लिखना, सिंपल. So now here the question is here what sales book. So October 1st, so we sold to whom? Archana, sold to Archana. October 17, October 17, so 2017 October 17 date. Okay, 2017 or 18, 17, okay, 2017 here October 1st, sorry, October 1st, sorry, October 1st here. So 2017 October 1st sold goods to Archana. Just you write the name of Archana. Sold goods to Archana. So here how much? 10,000 rupees. So we have to write here 10,000 rupees in Archana. So don't write in details. Why? Because there is no discount. Discount is not there. That's why no need. Just you write the number 1 in invoice number. Simple. Archana. Next one here. On date 14th, goods sold to Shivani 3,000. So date is 14. Date is 14. So Shivani, just write Shivani. So here what is the amount of Shivani? 3,000 rupees. 3,000. So number 2 to write here 3,000 rupees. Completed. Now next one is here 25th date, good sold to Sharanya. So just to write here date is what here? October 25th. Here you have to write Sharanya. Sharanya number 3. So amount is what here? What is the amount is given here? 7,000. Just to write 7,000 rupees. So from 3 members we purchase. So 3 members से खरीदे अपन, अर्चना से खरीदे, शिवानी से खरीदे, शरण्या से खरीदे, 3 लोगों से खरीदे. पूरा मिला के कितना हो गया? 7,000 plus 3,000, 10 plus 10, 20,000. So here total of sales book is 20,000. That's all. So first table purchase book, second table sales book. This is one combination. So in this combination 2.5 marks, 5 marks problem. This is one problem. 23rd question in your accountancy question paper. Okay, so this is the sales book completed here. Now, which question number is what here? 23rd in the question paper. Okay. Now, sales book also completed. Now, we are going to do, so here, sales book completed. Now, we are going to delete sales book also here, and sales book are completed. Purchase book, sales book, two books are completed. Now, remaining books are sales return, purchase return is there. Okay. Now, we are going to do purchase returns book here. Purchase return book, the table is different of purchase. Here, date and particulars are same, LF number also same. Here, debit note number and amount rupees is there. So, no details are there here. No details, no invoice number is there. Just a debit note number, amount rupees. Debit note number रहता, amount rupees रहता. इसलिए only returns two. What are the returns two are there? We have to find. So, purchase returns here, what here you see. So, purchase returns here. Here, purchase returns. Here also purchase returns. Here also purchase returns. Purchase returns. Purchase returns. Purchase returns. So date is October 21st and here October 16. These two things are there regarding purchase returns. Purchase returns के बारे में कितना है अपन को? दो ट्रांजेक्शन है. So goods returned to Divya and return out was to मनस्वी. दिव्या को रिटर्न करे अपन और मनस्वी को रिटर्न करे. इसमें कुछ डिटेल्स में कुछ लिखने का नहीं, कुछ भी डिस्काउंट करने का नहीं रहता. जस्ट यू हैव टू राइट द नेम. तो टू whom we return the goods. अपन खरीदे और माल अपन को अच्छा नहीं लगे तो उनको रिटर्न करें अपन. So just you have to write like this here. So in purchase returns book is there. So to whom we return 16th date and 21st date. 16th and 21st. So 2017 October 16th and October 21st. So two members will return the goods here 16th and 21st. So here to Divya and to Manasvi. So here we have to write here to Divya and Manasvi. Both the people we returned. And here what is the amount returned to Divya? 300 and Manasvi 400. Divya 300 and Manasvi 400. दिव्या को 300 का माल रिटर्न करें और मनस्वी को 400 का माल रिटर्न करें अपन. So here debit note number, just you give the serial number 1, 2, 3, and if you did not give, no problem. Not compulsory to give serial numbers. So serial number लिखना जरूरी नहीं है. Just formatly, so 1, 2 numbers we have to give simply. And what is the total here? 700, isn't it? 4 plus 3, how much? 700 rupees. So you have to write here just total. Simple. Just to total completed. This is purchase return book. And one more is there here. What is that? Sales returns book. So purchase returns are completed here. Now we are going to delete that. So purchase returns completed here. So just we have to know about just sales returns and here sales returns. Sales returns here. What date is given? Sales returns here October 10 and here October 20, 10-20. So returned by whom here? Archana, and Shivani returned goods. Shivani. So returns from whom? Archana and Shivani. So date is 10 and 20. So 10 and 20 dates here. Sales returns book. So 2017 October 10 and October 20. So October 10 and October 20, and here we returned from whom here? Returned from Archana and Shivani. Here you write here Archana and Shivani, Shivani. Just write number 1, number 2 also. And here, what is the amounts we returned from them? Amounts we returned here from Archana 500 and from Shivani 200. 500 and 200. Okay. Here 500 and 200. So total is here. Total is how much here? 700. Total is 700. Just write here total. Total. So like this we have to do. So in this credit note number is there. So purchase returns book, debit note number, sales return book, credit note number. Just these two things are changing. So remaining all are same in purchase returns and sales returns. And purchase book, sales book, both are same. Just invoice number and inward invoice number, outward invoice number. No need to record about them. Just you write the invoice number. That is enough. And these four are the main books of such a book. Out of these four, any two will come. So purchase book, sales book, one combination. Purchase book and sales book, one combination. And second combination is purchase book and purchase returns book. And third combination, sales book and sales returns book. These are the three combination is there. Out of these three combination, one combination will come in the एग्जामिनेशन. तीन कॉम्बिनेशन में से एक कॉम्बिनेशन आपको एग्जाम में आएगा. So if you have any doubt, you can call me and I will explain. No need to worry about it. These problems only you practice. Most of these type of problems will come in the examination. Just names and amounts are changed. So procedure is same. पूरा प्रोसीजर सेम रहता, खाली नाम और अमाउंट चेंज होता रहता, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम्स वही रिपीट होते रहते, वही आते रहते. ओके, सो दिस इज द logically, and these are the purchase book and sales book, purchase returns, sales returns book. And here you see once again we are going to check here total how many books are there here. 4 books. This is the purchase book. So if discount is there we have to minus, otherwise no need. Only purchase of goods we have to write, purchase of assets and cash purchase, cash sales, and sale of assets also not recorded. This is the purchase book. And second one is the purchase returns book. Purchase returns book, only returns to any persons are there we have to enter. And next one is the here sales book, only sale of goods on credit basis should be entered in this. And next one is the sales returns book, and here sales return book should be like this here. So 4 books we prepared. This is 23rd question in your annual examination of the commerce and accountancy paper. And the combination is 3 combinations: purchase book, sales book, purchase book, purchase returns book, sales returns book. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about question number 19 in your accountancy paper. So already we discussed ledger account first video, and in this video and we have explained about we have discussed about subsidiary books. 4 books are there, only 2 books will come in the examination. So ledger account 5 marks and subsidiary book 5 marks, 10 marks completed. And this is triple column cash book. This is triple column cash book, and it is the question number 19th question in your commerce and accountancy paper, and it gives you 10 marks. How many marks are there here? 10 marks. So in this if you prepare this problem, it is the textbook problem. It is the problem number 12 in your question, even in your textbook. And तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है ये. अगर ये प्रिपेयर करे तो कौन सा भी प्रॉब्लम अपन को एग्जाम आए तो कर सकते. क्यों बोलते हो, इसमें 3 कॉन्ट्रा एंट्रीज है. 3 कॉन्ट्रा एंट्रीज आर देयर. कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक. कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री मीन्स when a transaction recorded both side of triple column cash book same day simultaneously both columns is called contra entry. So a 2 marks में compulsory पूछता रहता है, what is the meaning of contra entry? Contra entry means what here? A transaction which is recorded both side of the triple column cash book on the same day simultaneously cash and bank columns is called what here? contra entry. Contra entry 3 occasions में होता है. So contra entry will appear in 3 occasions. So 3 occasions are there in this problem are there. That's why I am explaining this problem. So here deposited cash into bank, occasion number 1, deposited cash into bank, and here cash withdrawn from bank for office use, cash withdrawn from bank for office use, it is occasion number 2, this occasion number 2, and a check received from a person and deposited the check on another day. So you see here, received check from Reddy on 10th date, received check from Reddy on which date here, 10th date, and the Reddy's check deposited in the bank on 18th date. This is occasion number 3. So contra entry occasions are, how many are there here? 3 occasions are there. So if you prepare these 3 occasions, you can do the problem very easily. So that's why I am explaining this problem, and in this problem 3 occasions are covered of contra entry. That's why if you learn this problem, if you practice this problem, any problem will come in the examination, you can do. कौन सा भी problem आए तो भी तुम लोग कर सकते. ये 3 occasions are very important है, इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम में 3 occasions है, इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. अगर तुम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम अच्छा प्रैक्टिस करें तो कौन सा भी प्रॉब्लम आए तो भी एग्जाम में कर सकते. 3 occasions ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏ ప్రాబ్లం మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చినా మనం చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ 3 occasions are there. Deposited cash into bank, and here cash withdrawn from bank for office use, and a check received from Reddy deposited on another day. So March 20 we received, and March 18th we deposited in the bank. 3 occasions are there here. Okay. So here first of all, cash in hand, cash at bank is there here. Cash in hand, cash at bank. Cash in hand, cash at bank means what here? So we are having cash balance in our hand, in our business. This means अपन को business में पैसे 4,900 रुपीस अपने पास है. So we are having cash balance 4,900 in our hand. This means in our business available cash 4,900, and cash at bank on the same day 5,000 rupees in our bank balance. So balance is in our bank. That means what here? Bank में भी अपन को 5,000 रुपया है, बैंक లో మనకి 5,000 ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ బిజినెస్ లో ఎంత 4,900 బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ షోయింగ్ డెబిట్ సైడ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఆల్వేస్. అంటే మనకు డబ్బులు ఉన్నవి అంటే డెబిట్ సైడ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చూపిస్తుంది. अपने पास कैश बैलेंस है, बैंक बैलेंस है, तो कौन सा बैलेंस दिखाते हैं, किस तरह बैलेंस दिखाते हैं? डेबिट साइड बैलेंस दिखाते हैं. तो बोथ आर शोइंग विच साइड बैलेंस? डेबिट साइड बैलेंस. And here deposited cash into bank, contra entry I will explain. And here sales, whenever sell goods, cash is coming or going? Cash is coming. Whatever we sell, then cash will come. Whatever we purchase, cash will go. So in this problem, cash is coming or going, check is coming or going, we have to think like that only. कैश आए तो डेबिट में लिखना, कैश गए तो क्रेडिट में लिखना, चेक आए तो डेबिट में लिखना, चेक गए तो क्रेडिट में लिखना. If cash we receive, we have to write debit side. If cash will go, credit side. If check we receive, debit side. If check will go, credit side, we have to write. So here sales are there here. Sale goods means cash is coming. Received a check from Reddy, check is coming. That's why we have to write this side, debit side again. So this is how to record. I will explain later. Commission received. So when we received commission, then cash also coming here, and it is also debit side. Paid to Vamshi and cash is going. That's why it is recording credit side. And Reddy check deposited in the bank, contra entry, occasion number 3. I will explain later. Paid for transport, cash is going. Again it is credit transaction. अपन क्या पेमेंट कर रहे, so that's why cash जा रहा. Received cash from Srikanth. So we received cash from Srikanth, cash is coming, that's why it is also debit side. And again discount allowed means discount we have write. Cash withdrawn from bank for offices, I will explain later. So here paid for Shyam, so cash is going again, we are paying cash, so it is credit side. Discount received beside discount column. Purchased stationery and paid through debit card, credit card, Paytm, anything is there, we have to write in the bank column. And purchased stationery means here check is going, so amount is going, that's why it is also credit side. So the amount we are receiving or amount we are paying, just we have to first of all identify in this transaction. So cash ara ya jara dekna, cash ostunda potunda, check ostunda, check potunda, cash is coming or going, check is coming or going. So we have to think like that, then only we have to write the entries. Now you see the table here. The table should be like this. Table should be like this. Here triple column cash means three columns. Cash column, bank column, discount column. Three columns are there here. How many columns are there here? Three columns. Cash column, bank column, discount column. Here also cash column, bank column, discount column. Three columns are there here. But here discount allowed is debit side, discount received is credit side. Here rupees, and here also rupees. Rupees. Okay. Debit side receipts, credit side payments we have to write. Debit side receipts, credit side payments we have to write. So first of all, here you see the question. Here first one, what is there? Cash in hand, cash at bank, both are there. So we are having cash balance in the business, we are having bank balance in the bank. Both are showing which side balance? Debit side balance. That's why we have to record here debit side like this. March 1st to balance brought down 4,900, and in the bank also 5,000 rupees. Okay, so cash in hand means 4,900, cash at bank 5,000 rupees. Both are showing which side balance? Debit side balance. Why it is showing debit side balance? If we are having cash balance in our business, that shows debit balance. If the balance in our bank is there, that shows also debit balance. So that's why here you see here balance brought down 4,900, and here 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees are there here. So that's why both should be shown. Cash amount, cash column, bank amount, bank column we have to write. So 4,900 we are having cash balance in our business, that's why we recorded debit side, and balance also 5,000 rupees in our bank, that's why we have to write debit side in the बैंक कॉलम. अपने पास कैश 4,900 है, इसलिए कैश है तो कैश में लिखे, बैंक में है तो बैंक में लिख दिए. नाउ यू सी नेक्स्ट वन हियर, deposited cash into bank. So here we are depositing cash into the bank means here the entry should be like this here, bank account debit to cash account. Here bank and cash both words are there, bank and cash both words are there. That's why here bank cash both columns are there. Again both columns are there. That's why what is the meaning of this? Here we are taking cash from the cash column and we are going to deposit in the bank. This means what? Here we are taking cash from our business and we are going to deposit it where? Here bank. Cash अपने business से लेके बैंक में जमा कर रहे अपन. So that's why we have to show both sides. Here cash is going and cash is coming into the bank. Cash is going from the business, cash is coming into the bank. So we have to show like that. That's why we have to write here March 3rd and here also March 3rd. So here you see bank account debit to cash. So here to cash by bank, to cash by bank. You see here by bank we recorded and here also to cash we recorded. To cash we recorded. So that's why here to cash means the amount should be recorded in bank column and by bank means amount should be recorded in the cash column 3,000 rupees. Both sides on the same day. Same day means March 3rd. March 3rd we same day both sides, cash column and bank column. So here bank column, here we are recording 3,000 rupees, bank is receiving and cash is going 3,000 rupees. Cash is going 3,000 rupees from business and coming into the bank. Like that we have to show on the same day, March 3rd, both sides we recorded. That's why it is contra entry. So for that indication we are recording here C, both sides. Both sides we are recording C. तो C बोल के वो दोनों तरफ लिखना LF नंबर कॉलम में एक कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री है बोल के. क्यों बोल के लिखना? सो मार्च 3rd के दिन दोनों तरफ लिखे अपन. कैश बिजनेस में जाके कहां गिरा? बैंक में गिरा. कैश गोस फ्रॉम द बिजनेस एंड deposited into the bank. So both aspects we have to shown That's why we recorded both the sides. So that's why it is known as what here? Contra entry. I hope all of you understood. Next one here, sales are there. Sales means out here, whatever the goods we sold from our business sector, then cash will come. So sale करे तो पैसे आते, पैसे आए तो debit में लिखना. So then we have to write here debit side March 6th to sales we recorded. What is the amount here? 9,800. So we have to write here which column? Cash column only. If check is there, then only we have to write in the bank column. Otherwise, don't write in the bank column. चेक बोले तो दिए तो बैंक में लिखना, खाली दिए तो कैश में ही लिखना. कैश ट्रांजेक्शंस खाली लिखना, कैश आए या गए. सो क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन नॉट रिकॉर्डेड, उधार का नहीं लिखना. सो ओनली कैश ट्रांजेक्शन लिखना. सेल करे तो पैसे आए 9,800, we record in the debit side. Next one here. So received a check from Reddy. So we received check from Reddy. So actually we have write in the bank column. But regarding this March 18th, one more thing is given. So 10th day we received from Reddy and 18th day we are deposited in the bank. So check received on a day and deposited on another day. That's why it is contra entry. Occasion number 3. So we have write like this here. First of all, March 10 to Reddy we have write, and actually it is check, but we have write in the bank column. But we did not deposited on the same day in the bank. That's why we did not record this amount in the bank column. तो चेक आया लेकिन 10th डेट में अपन बैंक में नहीं जमा करे, अपने पास रख लिए. अपने पास बोल तो कैश में लिखना पड़ता है 2,500. और कब बैंक में डाले अपन? डेट 18 में डाले, इसलिए जब कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री लिखना पड़ता. अभी खाली कैश में लिख के छोड़ देना. अगर 18 डेट में बैंक में जमा करे बोल के नहीं दिए तो बैंक में लिखते थे अपन. लेकिन दिस इज गिवन हाउ इट इज. We received check from Reddy on 10th date, but deposited on 18th date. That's why we have to write contra entry on the 18th date, and before that on 10th date, just we have to enter in the cash column as 2,500 like this. Okay. Now here next one. March 10th after March 14th, commission received. Commission received means cash is coming to us. We received commission. So commission received बोल तो क्या आते हैं अपने पास? पैसे आते. पैसे आए तो डेबिट. So cash received debit side. So here to commission. So how much amount? 500 rupees. To commission 500 rupees we have to write here. Okay. So 500 rupees cash में लिखना. Next उसके बाद क्या है? कमीशन के बाद paid to Vamshi 1600 and discount received March 18th. These both are done on the same day. So here we receive paid to वंशी को पेमेंट करे, अपन डिस्काउंट रिसीव करे. सो पेड मींस कैश इज गोइंग. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव राइट क्रेडिट साइड March 16 by Vamshi 1600 rupees we paid, and discount received in discount column we have to write 1600 and 400 like that we have to enter. Next one here, Reddy's check deposited into bank. So now we deposited in the bank. So 10th date we received. Now we are taking the check from cash and we are going to deposit in the bank. So it is recorded both sides now. So from cash we are taking the check and we are going to deposit in the bank. So we have to show like this. So it is going from cash and going to deposit in the bank. So like that we have to record. So here, so bank again by bank and to cash. By bank and to cash. So how we record March 3rd? Similarly we have to write March 18. By bank 2,500 check is going from cash and going to deposit in the bank. Both sides we are recording. That's why it is called what here again? Contra entry. So check cash में से निकाले 2,500 लिखे ना पहले अपन, ये अपन कैंसिल कर ले, यहाँ लिख के कैंसिल करके लेके जाके कहाँ डाल रहे अपन? बैंक में डाल रहे. तो कैश में से चेक निकाल के बैंक में डाल रहे, इसलिए कैश में जाने का और बैंक में आने का, कैश से जाने का बैंक में आने का, गोइंग फ्रॉम कैश एंड कमिंग इनटू द बैंक. सो बोथ साइड्स वी हैव टू शो. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? contra entry. Now here next one is paid for transportation. We paid for transportation, then cash is going again Which purpose? Transportation purpose. So cash is going, we have to write by transport and the amount we have to write 600 rupees in cash column. If check is there, we have to write in bank column. Okay, next one here. Uh, received cash from Srikanth. So we received cash, then cash is coming. That's why again we have to write debit side from whom we received Srikanth. So 4,700 and discount means discount we have to write here. Discount 300 rupees we have to write. Okay. So next here, cash withdrawn from bank for office use. So it is occasion number 3. Occasion number 2 means so 1, 2, 3 transactions. 3 occasions are there. So actually it is 3. It is 2. So when we deposited cash into the bank, the entry should be like this: bank account debit to cash account. When we withdraw, this is opposite: cash account debit to bank account. This is the occasion 1. Another occasion. So while we are depositing cash, bank is the receiver. While we are withdrawing cash from bank, bank is the giver. So this is totally dead opposite. So that's why the entry should be like this here. Here, to bank by cash. To bank by cash. Previously, deposited means here by bank to cash. Third date. Date third is by bank to cash. And date here 24th by cash and to bank. Like this we have to write. So both side we record. This means what here? We are taking cash from the bank and we are enter into our cash book. So that's why बैंक में से जा रहा और कैश में आके गिर रहा अमाउंट ऐसा दिखाना पड़ता. So here 2,000 rupees it is going from the bank. It is going from the bank and coming into the cash. Like this we have to do. So that's why it is also one of the entry as contra entry. C means you have to record C. Okay. Now of this here paid to Sham and discount received. We paid to Sham, then cash is going again. Cash is going means what here? By Sham we have to write here. Cash is going, cash column, discount column. That's all simple. So to whom we are paying here? Sham. By Sham we have to write. Sham को payment कर रहे हैं, Sham का नाम लिखना पड़ता. Next one here. Purchased stationery and paid through debit card. We purchase stationery, then the payment are made. Payment means which side? Credit side again. So which purpose we paid? For stationery purpose. By stationery and we made with a debit card means we have to write in bank column. So like that all transactions we recorded here. So here first of all, after recording all the transaction, we have to balancing the amounts. How to balance here? So first of all, discount column, discount alert 300 is 300 we have to write. Discount received 4 plus 100 500 we write. So just 500 and 300 both sides separately we have to do the total of discounts. दोनों तरफ डिस्काउंट का कॉलम अलग अलग टोटल बना के छोड़ देना. రెండు వైపులా డిస్కౌంట్ కాలమ్స్ టోటల్స్ సెపరేట్ గా చేసి వదిలేసేయాలి. కానీ క్యాష్ కాలమ్, సో బట్ క్యాష్ కాలమ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి హావ్ టు టోటల్ ద డెబిట్ సైడ్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్యాష్ టోటల్ హియర్? 4900, 9800, 2500, 500, 4700, 2000. So this total. So here total of this cash. So 4900 here 49, 98, 25, 500, 4700, 2000. So total is debit side of cash column is 24,400. 24,400 is there. So from this 24,400 credit side total we have to do. So credit side, what is the total of the credit side of cash? Let us check. So here 3,000, 1,600, 2,500, 600, 2,000. So these only these items we have to calculate. So credit side is here 0 and here 0. Now here 6 plus 5 11 plus 6 17. 17 and 1 3 5 6 9 9,700. Then debit is greater than credit. तो डेबिट ज्यादा है क्रेडिट से, इसलिए माइनस करो 0 and 0. 14 minus 7 7 and here 13 minus 9 here 4 and 1 remaining. 14,700 is the difference amount. So debit minus credit balance, difference amount 14,700. So we have to write like this by balance carried down 14. किस तरफ कम आए तो उस तरफ लिखना, किस तरफ कम आए तो उस तरफ डिफरेंस अमाउंट लिखना. अगर कैश में कभी भी क्रेडिट साइड कम आता, इसलिए क्रेडिट साइड इज डिफरेंस अमाउंट लिखना. तो ऑलवेज क्रेडिट साइड कैश विल बी लेस, always cash shows debit balance more than credit. That's why the difference amount should be recorded credit side only. Now same manner, so we have to do similarly bank amount. 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10,500. So bank is 10,500 is there. Bank 10,500 is there. So which side? Debit side is there. Debit side is there. Now credit side, what is the bank? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10,500. So this means what here? This 7,500 will come later. Only two items are there. 2 plus 1 3,200. 3,200 credit amount. Then you minus 0 0 5 minus 2 3 10 minus 3 7. 7,200 is 300 is the difference amount. Bank also shows credit side less balance. Credit side less balance. That's why we recorded credit side 7,000. तो किस तरफ कमाए तो उस तरफ carried down balance C by D carried down बोल के लिखना. So now here the same amounts we have to bought. So after completion of March 31st, what will come? April 1st to balance brought down. What is the remaining amount in the cash here? 14,700. What is the remaining amount in the bank column? 7,300. You have to write like this. So this is a 10 marks problem. Very simple and easy. So paise aa rahe ya ja rahe, cash is coming or going. So we have to think like that and we have to enter. So 3 contra entries are main. You can watch this video again and again, then you can understand very easily. So how I am going to record contra entry, and then you can understand in the while you are watching this video. I hope all of you understood this one, and I will upload another video of 20 marks problem after this, and I hope all of you understood, and you can watch again and again my videos and like, subscribe and share. Thank you.